Hello, and welcome to Happy Team Check. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the interface and flow of our Employee Satisfaction Survey platform. What you're currently looking at now is a welcome screen. This is the first thing that your respondent will see when he or she accesses a Happy Team Check survey. This screen basically briefs respondents on what the survey is about, instructions on how to fill out the survey, and how to contact us at Happy Team Check if something goes wrong. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to use the survey of an imaginary company called Rocket Boots, but this screen is generally customizable. You can describe your survey here according to your desired parameters, or we can do so for you. Following the welcome screen is a security screen. We secure our surveys using security questions in order to limit access only to people who can answer these questions correctly. As you can see in the case of Rocket Boots, these questions include employment type, work tenure, manager, and location. Those who are supposed to answer the survey should know what the answers are to the security questions, because in order to ensure the sanctity of the survey, we limit access only to people who can answer these questions correctly. Make sure that they know beforehand what the answers are, or at least the question should be answerable using some level of intuition should you wish to not distribute the answers widely in order to limit the survey's scope. Ensuring that only a designated number of people can answer this survey is important to make sure that the data that you receive is accurate. Following the security questions, here you're actually moving on to the actual questions being asked in the survey. You will notice that for the most part, questions are answered according to a color-coded scale, with red on the left and green on the right. These are called Likert questions, and we primarily use these types of questions in order to generate data that is relevant to the employee asking them. You can set the scale as wide as you like, but we normally use a scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree, as you can see here on the screen. When a respondent gives a negative response, meaning either disagree or strongly disagree, as you can see here, a text box will appear at the bottom of the question which will prompt the respondent to answer why that was his or her choice. Data isn't reliable when it requires too much interpretation, so giving respondents the opportunity to justify their answer will help make things so much clearer. However, should they choose to not justify their answer, they can select, "I have nothing to add." Now, what happens after the survey is answered by the respondent? Yes, we receive the data, but we have tools that help you understand the data that you've gathered through our platform. These tools may be found in our reporting dashboard, which we will cover in the next video.